If you've been with me for a while, you are familiar where I keep and organize the bulk of my cleaners and cleaning tools. Today I will share how I organize and set up my daily cleaners and tools for daily and spring cleaning. So let's jump right in. So we have several types of brushes, but the basic cleaning supplies are these two brushes here. So you have a long handle brush to get behind those places that's hard to reach, like behind pipes or in between furniture or in between stationary cabinets or something like that. Refrigerator is another thing. The other brush I have is a palm brush. It's one of those big brushes. This one is by OXO. I purchased it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love the feel of it. It has this nice rubber backing that really grips your palm, and the shape of it here really slides in your palm, and it fits very nice, and you can really get in there and start scrubbing. The bristles are nice and strong, just like the long handle brush, and it has not been falling out or anything like that. So yeah, this brush is from OXO. Maybe costs about $5, if that. Now we're going to talk about sponges and rags. Of course, everybody's familiar with this. This is the Mr. Clean dry eraser, getting scuff marks off of walls. And this thing works so well. So everybody's familiar with this. I love this in my cleaning caddy. Next, we have my two favorite sponges that I purchased from Amazon. I don't know the cost, don't know the name. I had these for several years. I bought about 4 packs of these. It come 2 in a pack. And what I love about these is they have the microfiber cloth on the front and have a very coarse scouring material on the back. Now, I've been using this sponge and there is no loosening of the thread. There is nothing that strings out like it's unraveling. This really gets the dirt and grime up, and I just love this. As you can hear how rough that is. And the other side, of course, is microfiber, and that really absorbs the water. So there come 2 in a pack. Like I said, if I come across the information, I'll put that in the description box. But these are my favorite sponges. This container holds all my microfiber cloths. I have several of them, but these are the 2 that's in my caddy. The green one is for all-purpose use. That means that it can get wet. I can spray cleanser on it, what have you. And I love these microfiber cloths. I purchased these from Target. They have them in Amazon also, but these came from Target. I believe they came in a pack of 6, 3 green and 3 yellow ones, I believe it is. And I love these. Very strong, very durable, and very absorbent, and it dries the liquid very nicely. This light one here is the dry work. I mark my cloths also. As you can see here, it says dry work, and this is for the wet work. So this dries all the water up, or clean mirrors or glass or anything like that, and that's what I use this one for. So I have 2 types of cloths, and I mark them so I can distinguish between the 2, but I also use 2 different colors so I can distinguish both of the cloths quickly of what I need to use for what jobs. Inside this cup here is a glass container. This glass container is what I mix together any DIY paste, doors, or in between the rubber seals of the shower doors. I use a little mix of either baking soda and water or Ajax and water and make a little paste, and then I can clean those items quite well with my brush. So these cleaners right here use when I come across some stubborn stain that I don't have to keep running back to cleaning Grand Central or my cleaning station. And I keep these in here just in case I need them. If I come across a stubborn stain, or if I come across something that need to be a wood that need to be polished, or something that need to be deodorized, this is my specialty stuff. So this right here is my toilet bombs. Now this is not to clean the toilet per se. This is just to keep it nice and fresh. I use these in between cleanings, and it keeps the dirt ring around the toilet down less. So these are DIYs. If you're interested on how I make these, this would be in the iCard above. and it just keeps the ring down. It doesn't clean the toilet, but it's great for in between. Here's my Carpet Fresh. Love sprinkling this stuff once we shampoo the carpet and everything. This is great. Been using this for years and years and years. It's something that my mom used to use, and I've been using it ever since. So I love Carpet Fresh. Baking soda. Great abrasive. You can use to scrub things. It's the same kind of duties Comet can do. Cleans, but this is a more natural way to do it. I love using this with my as a paste with water to clean in between the creases on the faucet, between the faucet and the sink, you know, those creases down there, or around the faucet where the water comes out, or anything that is stubborn, stains, shower doors, things in that nature. And I make a little paste out of that glass that you've seen and just apply it. That means that I don't have to go anywhere, I don't have to run anywhere when I come across those problems. This is in my cleaning caddy and it's always ready to be used. So that's that. Then we have our nice little cleaners, I call it. Some of these are my DIY. Some of these are items that I poured from other bottles. So this right here is my polisher. This is just olive oil. Put a couple of drops on a cloth. My cabinet is that cherry wood, and it doesn't really need any cleaner on it, just some water. But every now and again, to get that dullness. So I just put a couple of drops on the rag and just wipe it down with this. We have stain remover, and I pour a little Awesome in here. Awesome is awesome. That cleaner cleans just about any and everything. It is awesome. So I put a little bit of this in here when I come across a stain, and it gets it up very well. Okay, so this is alcohol, a great disinfectant. Also, if you put 1 part water, 1 part alcohol, it will clean the stainless steels, get rid of fingerprints and all of that good stuff. Linseed oil. I don't have any in here, so I'm going to have to put some more in here. But this is great when I use on my leather upholstery to shine it up and clean it. Virgin olive oil for my stainless steel appliances. And that'll also clean and polish stainless steel. So here are my specialty tools. These are other tools that I use when I'm cleaning around the house doing spring cleaning or any other monthly, daily, weekly cleaning that I use my caddy. So this is my container of handy wipes. Love handy wipes. Very absorbent. You can get them wet. They just very useful. Great for glass and mirrors because there's no lint on these. And I love these. I purchased these from Dollar Tree in a pack of 10, I believe it is, for $1. Great for many cleaning jobs. Here is my dusting container that has all of my dusting rags. This right here is a dusting mop that goes with a dust mop handle that you slide the little tongs in between here, and it slides on, and you can be able to reach those hard to reach places when you get ready to dust. Also, I have in here is my dust mittens. These were from Pledge many years ago, and I purchased a box of these. I think it was a box of 20, and I love using these on blinds, on light fixtures, or anything that I can get my hand around to get dust out. This is very handy. So now we come to the tools. So it's a lot of little things in this nice little container. So we start with this one. In here is a grocery bag. Now there's been times when you be in the room and you're cleaning everything and you come across trash. This grocery bag serves that purpose. So you can have a trash bag along with you when you're cleaning your home. So that's what that is. In this bag we have 2 sets of rubber gloves. These gloves I always keep handy just in case I want to protect my hands, and I have them with me. I have 2 sets of gloves that's inside this plastic bag, and they're ready to use when I need them. Now here are my 2 favorite brushes when I want to get in between the crevices and crannies. This brush here is great for around the faucets or in the seams of the sink. It's from OXO, and OXO products you can find at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is another one that really gets in the groove in those shower crevices, the shower door crevices, down in there where the rubber seal is. You can really get in between that with the baking powder or the scouring powder paste. And I love using this brush for that. It also has this little pick here that you can get in the seams and really dig down in there to get up that dirt and grime, to loosen it up, to use the brush. And these are my favorite brushes. Love these. Toothbrush can do just as well. Some people have two brushes, but I love that this has a nice little pick and it has two different sizes. Sometimes the toothbrush is not hard enough to do that, and the bristles, they wear out very quickly. So here's my handle to go with that dust mop head that you've seen. So you just place this in here like this, slide it through, and now you have your nice little dust mop. And that is our tools, nice and compact in our little tool box, ready to be used. These cleaners are my basic cleaners before I shared with you my specialty cleaners. These are my basic ones by Method. Each one of these are from Method except for this one. This is my deodorizer. That's Febreze. I normally do a DIY deodorizer, but I wanted to try the Febreze this time, and so I poured it in here from the container. This is a disinfectant from Method, and I love this, their products. And I could have left it in the same container that it came with. It would have fit. But I like having the same bottles and sprays so to have a nice uniform look. This is my all-purpose. Here's my glass cleaner, also from Method. And lastly, here's my deodorizer that I love to spray once I leave the room. I spray the upholstery, spray the bedding, spray the carpet, anything that's have fabric on it. I love spraying my Febreze. And those are my basic cleaning products that I use. So now I'm going to share with you how I set up my caddy. So here is what I have in here stored. We have our balms. We have our Carpet Fresh and our baking soda. We also have our specialty cleaners and our tools, dusting rags, and handy wipes. We take our cleaning caddy and we just sit it down in here, and it sits in here very nicely. And here you see the cleaning caddy. Here's all our cleaning products in the bottles. There is our rag and our glass here, our two sponges, Mr. Clean eraser sponge there, and our two brushes. And that's how I set up and organize my cleaning caddy. So here's what the caddy looks like on a daily basis before I even put the cleaning bottles in there. This is what it looks like when I get ready to clean. Once I'm going to get ready to clean, that's when I go into my kitchen under the sink and get those cleaning solutions that you've seen. These cleaning solutions are under the kitchen sink. I have a video on that, how I organize that, and I will link that in the iCard above. It seems more easier to me to have one location for my cleaning solutions, and that is under the kitchen sink, because the kitchen is where I need it the most, and I keep it there. But anytime I get ready to do a home cleaning, I just take it from under the kitchen sink and store it just like this. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I inspired you to organize and set up a cleaning caddy for your future cleaning projects. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Smooches!